Make sure you close up all the gaps. There should be no spaces here, here, or here. I just put them in there so you could see a little bit easier. Okay, that's why I put the XXX part. So I'm just going to copy only this part. Don't copy the slash, only this. So then you can right click it, copy. I'm just going to replace this with my channel ID. Okay, so now we have the full proper YouTube subscribe link. Okay, it's going to go https://www.youtube.com/channel/your channel ID. I'm going to get rid of all the spaces now. Make sure there's no spaces there. After your channel ID comes the question mark. Make sure there's no spaces there though. Okay, and then after that comes sub_confirmation equals 1. Okay, and again, no spaces there. So once you've taken all the spaces out and you have your video ID in there, you can go ahead and copy the entire URL